Say hi, Tita. Hello, Tita. I miss you. Can you talk to her? Say, I hope you're having fun in Costa Rica. I miss you. Do you have anything to say? Oh yeah? You're speechless, huh? You're just making silly noises? Can you say, hi Tia Flora? I miss you too. I hope someday we get to meet.
And he worked very closely with Segovia on those pieces. I don't know, for some reason I've always been...
This is Ethan's new noise that he's learned to make. And he does it all the time, right? You do it.
Well, I'd love it if you would play his first credit. Yes, that was my first encounter with him.
You're such a silly goose. Do you have anything else to say other than these silly noises? How about a smile? Can you smile? Can you smile for the camera? I'll tickle you. Come on, you can do it. You can smile. No, you just want to make those noises, huh? Okay. Well, let's say goodbye. Say bye, Tita. I love you. I love you, Tita. I miss you. Say hi to everybody for us. And give lots of hugs. Bye, Tita.